understand. This is the first entry that you can see. Just click on new. Now what happens? Let me show you. For example, we'll enter Hitesh. Hitesh is from HR department. His position is head of the department. His appraisal is done. Just use next. Yes, hello everyone. How are you all? Hope you all are great. Now, what we have to understand today, one of the most important topic for data entry purpose in Excel, and the topic is very simple: creation of form without VBA editor. यानी आप लोग एक्सेल में जब एंट्री कर रहे हो, तो यदि आप लोगों को VBA एडिटर के हेल्प से यदि कोई फॉर्म क्रिएट नहीं करना है, तो एक्सेल में आपके पास रेडी फैसिलिटी अवेलेबल है with the help of which you can create a form like this. You can see here the same form that I've created of this. You can see number or name or department or position and appraisal. So it is very easy to convert your data into the format of form. Now a question arises, a question आता है कि why it is needed, form बनाना जरूरी क्यों है? Guys, it is very simple. For example, you can see the data here. Whenever you want to enter the data, you have to use tab, then enter, once again tab, then enter, once again tab, then enter. So it is always difficult. Here right now we have only 4 columns with us. But when the columns are 15 or 20 columns, at that time to use a tab, once again enter, it is much difficult to enter the data. So it's very simple how we can convert our data into form. Yes, when we want to enter that form toolbar, by default it is not available in our ribbon. आप देख सकते हैं आपके ribbon में कहीं पे भी form वाला tool कहीं पे है ही नहीं. So sir कैसे करेंगे? It's very simple. Just click here on your quick access toolbar. Just click here on more commands. When you click on more commands, you can see there are 3 major options. Popular commands यानी जो command जो आप regularly use करते हैं, commands not in the ribbon, and all commands. Now form एक ऐसा toolbar है which is not available in your ribbon. So just click here, commands not in the toolbar. Just press F, and here you can see yes, exactly form. Edit, because I need the same in my quick access toolbar. So just edit. You can see the same here, and when you click on OK, just now you can see a form toolbar over here with you. This is just amazing. Guys, now what happens? Let me show you something. What I'm going to do is just remove this image so you won't get confused. Just I select the range of mine. I have not selected number because I can drag it. So I have not selected the number. Just do first entry. You need to do only single entry. Here you can see I have already written one entry, Nilay, training and development department, position head of the department, and appraisal. That is done. Now just click over here on form, and you can see the full form over here. This is just a great thing to understand. This is the first entry that you can see. Just click on new. Now what happens? Let me show you. For example, we'll enter Hitesh. Hitesh is from HR department. His position is head of the department. His appraisal is done. Just use next. It means new. One more entry, you can see whatever you enter in your this area, it automatically reflects in your this area. Okay, one more entry. For example, Mr. Sagar, department, yes, he's from, let's take an example, production department, position, assistant manager, appraisal, not done, for example, and new entry. One more entry, for example, Mr. Jatin. Mr. Jatin is from, once again, manufacturing department. Position, yes, assistant manager, and appraisal, done. Just click on new. So whenever you enter your data in your form, it reflects you over here. There are so many options. Find previous. So yes, you can find the previous data. Find next, you can find the next data. If you want to find the data based on your criteria, you can. When you click on close, yes, you come out from your data. So this is just a simple thing. One more thing to be added, एक simple सा चीज है जो add करना चाहूँगा. Simple. जस्ट क्लिक हियर। आपका पर्पज ऐसा है कि एवरी टाइम सिलेक्ट नहीं करना है, तो क्या करेंगे सर? इट्स वेरी सिंपल, हम सबको मालूम है। जस्ट कन्वर्ट योर डेटा इनटू टेबुलर फॉर्मेट, टेबल फॉर्मेट में कन्वर्ट कर दीजिए। सो आई जस्ट क्लिक ऑन टेबल, यू कैन सी डेटा ऑलरेडी सिलेक्ट हो गया है एंड क्लिक ऑन ओके। अब जब आप क्लिक ऑन ओके करेंगे तो यस, ये टेबुलर फॉर्मेट में कन्वर्टेड है। अब वापस आपने यहाँ पे क्लिक कर दिया है, जस्ट क्लिक ऑन योर फॉर्म एंड वंस अगेन you don't have to select your data once again, you can see your entries once again. So this is a beauty of this. Okay, you can do anything with this. One more example for you. For example, आपके पास यहाँ पे कुछ डेटा अवेलेबल है, यहाँ पे हमने टोटल डाला हुआ है, यहाँ पे हमने परसेंटेज किया हुआ है। Now what happens? Once again we'll select the range, once again हम इसको टेबल में कन्वर्ट करते हैं। I try to speak in both the languages so you can understand in a easier manner English and Hindi. Okay, now you can see it converts into your tabular format, table format में convert हो गया है। Okay, here you can see once again your form. So now what happens? It's very simple guys, where you have the formula, आपके पास जहाँ पे formula है उसका आंसर उसने डायरेक्टली ही दे दिया है। So yes, second entry चाहिए, just click on new. Okay, and yes, this is your number, so I used to enter the number, that is name. Once again Mr. Sagar, an entry, an entry, an entry, an entry, and sorry, my mistake, and new. So now you can see कि उसका entry automatically हो गया है। So this is once again a beauty of this, and you could do anything with this. आप अपने कितना भी बड़ा डेटा यदि आपके पास अवेलेबल है और उस सारे बड़े डेटा को आप इस तरह से फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करके इजीली एररलेस एंट्री कर सकते हैं, डेटा को फाइंड कर सकते हैं, पहला डेटा देख सकते हैं। सो इट्स अप टू यू। होप you have understood the things very well, and if still you have the query, you can definitely put your queries in the message box. Thank you so much.